Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tejashwi Agastya here and I'll be discussing about the third eye chakra, an energy center which is located at the center of your eyebrows. And this energy center is also represented by color dark blue or indigo. And this has a connection with a major important endocrine gland called pituitary gland. If you look at the functions of pituitary gland, it plays a major role, guys. Like, it secretes hormones into the bloodstreams, which in return are going to affect our reproductive system, our adrenal gland, our thyroid gland, and it also has many other functions to do. So basing on its functioning and the role it plays in a human body, it's called the master gland. And this third eye energy center is very well associated with this pituitary gland. That's the reason this energy center is also called as the Agnya chakra in the Sanskrit. Agnya means command. So this is a command center for your complete body and for all the chakras. So now you're clear with what is the location, the color and the related endocrine gland. So now we'll be discussing about another important concept called intuition. Individuals' sixth sense, ability to sense things even before they actually happen or even without any proper information. For your better understanding, you can even consider an example of the great legendary prophet Sri Veera Brahmendra Swami Garu. He is very well known as Brahmam Garu in South India. He have written a script. He is one of the writers of the script to say, actually. It's called the Kala Jnanam, which means the knowledge of times. He have predicted something and he have told us. And now there's no magic in this, guys. It is only those vibrations. If suppose you're speaking, it's an energy released from you and it has certain vibration. Some other person would receive it and he would act on it. It's just a vibration generated in the universe. As I've told you already in the chakras video, that we all are connected to everything, each and everything around us, not just human beings but also plants, animals and the other planets. So when a vibration is generated, it is already registered in the universe. And those vibrations can be sensed by one's individual if they have a well-balanced chakra system. That's the reason our great legendary prophet Brahmam Garu have that vision of what is next, what the future is. And if we have seen, most of the things have been proved to be true. We also have such intuition, guys. If we can balance the energy in our third eye chakra, we can sense things even before they actually happen. Apart from intuition, third eye chakra is also an energy center which plays a major role in our abilities to learn new things, to understand things better, the ability to memorize things. For suppose, see, you have gone to a grocery to bring some 10 goods, but you only bring 7 or 6, you forget the balance. It is because we find it difficult to remember many things at a time, because our mind is full of thoughts, whether necessary or unnecessary. They are stuffed together, they are piled up together. Like, imagine a shelf full of books, like if they are not properly ordered, properly kept, what happens that you'll find it difficult to take the book you want. In the same way, many thoughts are there in your head, and at times you wanted to take some action or you wanted to respond to something, you forget few things and you gather only to some extent and you respond. That's where we cannot completely do a task. So this third eye chakra can help you to focus or memorize our daily activities better. And a well-balanced third eye chakra can also give an individual a telepathy skill. Telepathy has no scientific proofs, but this can be seen in the general day-to-day activities, guys. If you think of a person, you get a message or a call from him. It happens with us, especially mothers. They can sense if their kids are in some trouble or something. Why? Because it actually happened with me a lot of times. If I'm in some stress and when I remember my mom, I'll either get a call from her or a message from her. I have personally experiences, and I think you would also have done it. Now, to diagnose your energy in the third eye chakra, pose some questions to yourself. What are the thoughts you're letting in your mind? Whether positive or negative, or what are the thoughts you're holding? Much of unnecessary stuff or something productive? If at all you're not able to get rid of those unnecessary thoughts, it shows imbalance of the energy there. So you should definitely work on it. And memory loss is another symptom of low balance energy and ability to not learn new things or resistance from knowing new stuff. Anxiety, pressure, ability to not quickly respond to the activities are also the other symptoms of a blocked third eye chakra. So now if you look at the solutions, it's nothing but meditating, guys. Meditate, meditate, meditate. For every other chakra we have some physical solutions, but for this chakra I only suggest you to meditate. It is because when you can take a deep breath and focus on it, you have a clarity of, you have a clear picture as what is going around, and definitely you'll come to a conclusion for each and every problem or everything which is bothering in your life. So finally we have come to an end. I'll be releasing an audio guiding you through this third eye chakra meditation. See you soon. Stay tuned. Thank you.